Hello, welcome to the Health Hub. 5 foods that incredibly heart healthy. Certain foods, including leafy greens, whole grains and fatty fish, can benefit your heart health and lower your risk of heart disease. Diet plays a major role in heart health and can impact your risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death for adults in the US. Let's start with 5 foods prevent from heart disease. Number 5. Leafy vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are high in vitamin K and nitrates, which can help reduce blood pressure and improve arterial function. A higher intake of leafy greens is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. American Heart Association notes that an increased leafy green vegetable intake was associated with more significant benefits to cardiovascular health and a lower risk of heart disease than other fruits and vegetables. Number 4. Whole grain. Whole grains include all 3 nutrient-rich parts of the grain, such as germ, endosperm, and bran. Common types of whole grains include whole wheat, brown rice, oats, rye, barley, buckwheat, quinoa. Refined carbohydrates increase the risk of coronary heart disease, but whole grains are protective. Multiple studies have found that eating more whole grains increases or decreases risk by approximately 10 to 20%. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are jam-packed with nutrients such as antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect against oxidative stress and inflammation that can contribute to the development of heart disease. Eating blueberries daily may also improve the function of cells that line the blood vessels, vascular function, which help control blood pressure and blood clotting. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to reduced cholesterol levels and a lower risk of heart disease. According to multiple studies, eating at least 2 servings of avocado each week was linked to a 16% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and a 21% reduced risk of coronary heart disease. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been studied extensively for their heart health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish may have a protective role in the risk of developing heart disease and slightly reduce the risk of CVD events and arrhythmias.